Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while I talked in my videos. So today I'll be doing another acrylic set. I love working with acrylics. So today I'll be using a white acrylic powder, glitters, and a nude acrylic powder. I'll be creating a simple set today. If you are interested in this kind of content, kindly keep on watching. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademidun Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. My upload days are Mondays and Thursdays. I mostly premiere my videos by 8 p.m. West African time. So if you're interested in joining my premiere as well, you can have that in mind. Thank you. I'll also be doing a story time of how I was scammed by a first-time client. So while you're watching me work, you also be listening to my story. On this particular day in I think 2019, in September 2019, I received a call from a number, and I have this app on my phone. It's called Truecaller. So when this call came into my phone, I saw scam. That means scam was showing on the number, and I didn't really put my mind there. But she called and she wanted to book for an appointment, and I booked her for a particular time. I think around 2 p.m. in the afternoon she came, and she was so polite, very nice and all. So she asked for the longest length that I had for an acrylic set. I told her the price. She said okay, that the price was okay with her, and I started working on her. My usual self, I'm a very chatty person. I started chatting with her, and I asked her why her number was showing scam on Truecaller. She acted surprised, like, really? Are you serious? I don't know. Okay, let me call you again and let me see if it's going to show scam. So she brought out her phone and gave me a call, now with another phone number, and I said, okay, so this is not showing scam, but the other one you called me with was showing scam. She said, I don't know why it's doing that though, honestly. And it ended there. So after about 2 hours 45 minutes or 30 minutes thereabouts, I finished her set, and she asked if she could pay by transferring the money to my account. I said yes. Meanwhile, I had 2 POS. I could have just opted for her to use the POS machine, because I already saw scam on her number, but I don't know why my mom was not going there. So she said she has done the transfer, and she showed me the transaction receipt that she has been debited. And I said okay. Naturally, I'm a very trusted person. I trust anybody I meet. So I told her, okay, I told her to go, that since I didn't get the alert, the credit alert, that I'm sure I will get it after. And we all know the way Nigerian banks are. I felt I was going to get the alert later on, because sometimes people send you money and you don't get the credit alert immediately. So I was thinking, okay, this is a case like that I was going to get the alert immediately. So I told her to go. So she left. The thing is, even when you don't get the alert, you can always sign in into your bank app to check if the money has really entered. I was supposed to do that as well. I was supposed to sign into my bank app to check if the money entered, but I didn't. Thinking about it now, I think I didn't sign in because I had not had this kind of experience before. So like I was saying, I told her to go, and after she left, 2-3 hours after she left, I still didn't get the alert. Till the evening of that day, I didn't get the alert, so I started trying her phone numbers. So the numbers were not going through. I kept trying the number, the one that was showing scam, and the one she used to call me when she was in my shop or my new lounge. It wasn't going through. So they were not going through, and I was like, what is going on? So I just thought in my mind that maybe her batteries died, and maybe when she charged them, I was going to get through to her. I called her throughout that day, it didn't go through. I called her the following day, it did not go through. I called her the second day now, or let's say the third day. So I called her the day she came, it didn't go through. I called her the following day, it didn't go through. I called her the next day as well, it did not go through. And that was when it dawned on me that I had been scammed. So apparently, after she left my place, she switched off her phones, and maybe she threw the numbers away. Till today, I kept trying those numbers for about 3 months. I kept trying, thinking that one day I was going to get through to her. But till today, the number refused to go through. And that was how I was scammed. She came, she requested for the longest acrylic sets that I had. You know, she asked for the longest acrylic sets, and I did it for her, and she did not pay me. She left. Ever since that time, anyone that sends money to any client that says I'm going to, any first-time client, let me say any first-time client that says I'll do a transfer, I don't have my my bank ATM card. Once they tell me that the transaction has gone through, they show me the transaction receipt. I always tell them to wait a little bit for me to get the transaction alert, the credit alert as well, before they leave. Once bitten, twice shy. If you're still watching this video and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly click on the red subscribe button below, and also you can turn on the notification bell to all so you get notified anytime I upload any video. I recently hit the 700 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you guys for supporting me always. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my content. And to my new subscribers, thank you for deciding to join this family. I promise to give you good content every time. Please don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and also share to anyone that might be interested in learning something new. And if you are looking to connect on other social media platforms, on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok as Glitterspolish. Same name I'm using on YouTube. Also, if you are based in Lagos State, Nigeria, and you are interested in learning how to do nails, you can send me a DM on Instagram.
Type of feeling that I feel when I'm with you. Oh, do mommy, anytime where I stay with you. I want your heart, your soul, and your whole body too. I can't let you go. I'm beginning to fall in love. say make I deny you. I go tell them say lie. No be lie, yeah. I fit to spend all my money on you. I spend a couple million on you. I give you love until you say don't do, yeah. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby, my baby. Anytime when you need me, come through, my side, wale. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby, my shorty, oh Ricky, my baby, Nkan to bafe, lo ma get seko ma lobe, ewo, body on jet, ataro do mo ide pepe dem ha, toyin tomato, kosingo be, le pa jo pepe, rempe jo wo ma se mi le she, Nobody.
Glitterspolish Empire.
Type of feeling that I feel when I'm with you. Oh, do mommy anytime where I stay with you. I want your heart, your soul, and your whole body too. I can't let you go. I'm beginning to fall in love. To my head, say make I deny you. I go tell them say lie. No be lie, yeah. I fit to spend all my money on you. I spend a couple million on you. I give you love until you say don't do, yeah. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby. Anytime when you need me, come through, my side, wale. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby, my shorty, oh Ricky, my baby, Nkan to bafe, lo ma get seko ma lobe, ewo, body on jet, ataro do mo ide pepe dem ha, toyin tomato, kosingo be, le pa jo pepe, rempe jo wo ma se mi le she, Nobody.
Empire.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, my tomato just now waiting they call me. Him no know waiting I do we make him not over me. Bangers and plenty, but he leave them and he chose me.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and also subscribe. Till next time, bye.